Hey, when you have a property that you want to protect with video surveillance, there's a lot of things to take into consideration. You want to look at your power supplies or power available. You want to look at wireless connectivity, the location, the field of view. Is there a product that can solve all these issues? Stay with me, and let's find out. In this video, I'm going to set up and install this Anran solar wireless security camera. So let's just make sure everything they say is in the box is actually in here. We have the quick start user guide, have the hardware pack, the USB to USB-C charge cable. They do not include that charge adapter that we all have hundreds of around the house these days, so that's okay. Have the stickers, 24-hour surveillance sticker. We have the template to help you mount that bracket, get the screw holes in the right spot. We have the camera and body itself, the solar panel on top, pan, tilt, zoom camera below. We have the slot for the SD card here on the bottom. And on the bottom of the battery compartment, we have the port for the USB-C charge connector. And there's the bracket. So check, and double check everything is here. Now, some of the features of this camera: it's got smart home surveillance camera with remote access via the free app. It's also got playback and record the video with a micro SD card, enhanced HD night vision, intelligent motion detection, and clear two-way audio. Okay, we're ready to go. So as with most of these products, the very first step is going to be to add the app to your smartphone. Oh, and one more thing to mention with products such as these that are solar charged: one good piece of advice, and probably essential, is to make sure you give it a good full charge before you start. Then your solar panel can just maintain that charge. So I did unbox this earlier, plugged it in for a few hours to get that battery up to 100%. I'm all finished setting up the app. It was a very simple process. In the user guide, they provide a QR code that links you to both the Android app as well as the iOS app. So you make sure you get the right app, and ask me, I've made that mistake before and downloaded the wrong app and had a hard time connecting a smart device. So that being said, the correct app's installed. Standard procedure: you got to go through setting up an account with a username and a password. Standard procedure, as I mentioned. And then once you're all set up, you just make sure you allow the functions like connect to Bluetooth, allow push notifications. It's all spelled out for you in the user guide. Then you want to connect to your Wi-Fi network. So I did all that, put in the password, and all is ready to go. I'm going to install this camera down here by my gate, by my automatic gate, so that I can see if anybody's at the gate, even communicate with them. So let's get started. We'll go down there and mount the bracket, get the camera installed. All right, so as you can see, I've got the camera mounted. I tell you, something so simple as just providing that little stick-on template to match the screw holes makes life so much easier, and what a great thing to add, and it's something so simple. So stuck on the template, pre-drilled my 3 holes, mounting holes for the bracket, snapped the camera into place. We're mounted, ready to go. Now we can test things out, see how it works. Okay, so here we are. Just a quick test, keep getting the alerts. New version of the app is available. So we'll download that. But look at us, here we are. We can talk to ourselves. Hey Terry, what are you doing there? And I even could talk back to myself if I wanted. So there you go. All that's left is to play with the settings. So that concludes the setup and installation of the Anran solar wireless security camera. This is the model Q4 Max. Thanks again for watching. There's just one favor I have left to ask of you. If you found it helpful or useful, please give it a like. And if you wouldn't mind joining my team of subscribers to the channel. In fact, by the time you watch this video, we may have hit that magic 100,000 subscribers. So thanks to people like you, we appreciate you very much. We'll see you in the next one. Terry Peterman, the Internet Electrician.